Hi friends, welcome to the BHIM Academy channel. The KEA has released the opportunity to challenge your answer key. Go to the KEA website, and in that, there you can see the link for the PGCET 2023 objection for key answer link. Click on it, then you will be redirected to Google form. Here you need to enter your CET number, application number, your name, father name, date of birth, and mobile number and email ID. Then select the course, and with respect to select the subject name, version of paper, and question number, and your challenged key answer, and then you need to enter the reasons for your answer key, and at last you need to upload a proof for your challenging answer in PDF or JPG format. If need to check the KEA answer key, check it again. And then submit the Google form.